Ready to pass the Microsoft AZ-900 exam in 2026? Here's your complete plan to master Azure Fundamentals. First, understand that AZ-900 is a conceptual exam. You won't be asked to configure virtual machines or write code. Instead, you'll explain the why behind cloud services. Think about questions like when to choose platform as a service over infrastructure as a service, or what service solves a specific business problem. This focus makes it perfect for career changers, sales staff, and managers who need to speak the language of the cloud without being hands-on engineers. It's about vocabulary and understanding, not technical implementation. So, is this exam right for you? Absolutely. If you're new to cloud, work in a non-technical role at a tech company, or you're a student building your resume. It's also the perfect first step if you plan to stack other certifications like AZ-104 later. However, you should skip it if you're already an experienced Azure engineer with years of hands-on work. In that case, go straight to an associate-level exam. This isn't about gatekeeping. It's about using your study time efficiently. To pass, you must know where to focus. The exam is broken into 3 weighted domains. First, describe cloud concepts, makes up about 25 to 30% of your score. This is vendor-neutral knowledge. The biggest section, at 35 to 40%, is describe Azure Architecture and services. This is where you'll learn the core products. Finally, describe Azure Management and Governance, covers cost, compliance, and tools, accounting for 30 to 35%. Knowing these weights is crucial. Spend your study time proportionally to ace the exam. The standard cost for the AZ-900 exam is $99 in the US, but you might not have to pay it. Microsoft frequently offers free exam vouchers through its Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Days. These are free, multi-hour online training events. Attendees who complete the full training typically receive a 100% off voucher within a few business days. This is the single best way to get this credential for free, making it an incredible value for anyone starting their cloud journey. Reading guides and watching videos is important, but the biggest predictor of passing is taking full-length practice exams. Why? Because they train you for the question formats, the timing, and the pressure of the real test. Community data shows that candidates who consistently score over 80% on quality practice tests pass the actual exam about 95% of the time. Don't just study the material, actively test your knowledge. Review every wrong answer to find your weak spots and turn them into strengths. Here's a tip many guides miss: composite SLA math. You will likely see a question asking for the combined uptime of an app using multiple services. Remember this simple rule. When services depend on each other, you multiply their individual SLAs. For example, an app service at 99.95% uptime connected to a database at 99.99% uptime results in a composite SLA of 99.94%. The total uptime is always lower than the lowest individual component. Mastering this small detail can easily score you an extra point. You now have the core strategy to pass the AZ-900. You know what the exam covers, who it's for, and the key tactics for success. The next step is to dive into the details. Visit the full article on Open Exam Prep for the complete 2026 study plan, deep dives into every exam objective, and a link to our free AZ-900 practice questions to start testing your knowledge right now. No sign-up required. Your Azure journey starts here.